Have you ever wondered if artificial intelligence actually thinks like us? It's less science fiction and more reality than you might imagine. AI, much like a person, learns from experience. Think about how we learn to ride a bike. We try, we wobble, we adjust. AI does something similar, but its experience is data. It sifts through massive amounts of information, recognizes patterns, and makes decisions. The more data it processes, the smarter it gets. Just as we adapt our actions based on feedback and outcomes, AI systems refine their skills by continuously analyzing new data. This allows them to perform tasks that require human-like intelligence, from spotting trends to automating complex jobs. So, the next time you interact with an AI, remember it's learning and evolving, constantly improving its performance based on every interaction. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI. Thanks for watching. Ever wondered if machines can really think? It's a question straight out of science fiction. But today, we're living the answer. Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, where we'll demystify how AI actually thinks and learns, much like we do. It's not magic. It's a brilliant blend of data, algorithms, and a process that mirrors our own journey of learning. So, how does it all start? Think about how a child learns to recognize a cat. You don't give them a textbook definition. They see different cats, fluffy ones, sleek ones, big ones, small ones. Over time, they start to identify the common features. That's pattern recognition. And it's the cornerstone of how AI learns. An AI system is fed vast amounts of data, thousands, even millions of images of cat sand. It starts to detect the patterns. The pointy ears, the whiskers, the tail. It learns from experience, just like us. This process isn't just about recognizing cats, though it's about making decisions. When we make a choice, we're subconsciously drawing on a lifetime of experiences. If you touch a hot stove once, you learn not to do it again. That's learning from feedback. AI operates on a similar principle. It makes a prediction or a decision, compares the outcome to the desired result, and adjusts its internal parameters. This feedback loop is constant. With every new piece of data, with every outcome analyzed, the AI gets a little bit smarter, a little more accurate. Its performance literally enhances over time. This adaptability is where things get really interesting. Both humans and AI are constantly evolving based on new information. Think about learning to ride a bike. You wobble, you might fall, but you adjust your balance based on that feedback. You try again, correcting your movements until you're riding smoothly. An AI system, whether it's learning to play a complex game like Go or helping doctors diagnose diseases, does the same thing. It tries a strategy, assesses the outcome, win or lose, correct or incorrect, and refines its approach for the next attempt. This is called reinforcement learning. And it's a powerful way AI adapts its behavior. Our experiences shape who we are and how we see the world. They build our intuition. For an AI, its experience is the colossal data set it's trained on. This data becomes the foundation for its decision. A medical AI trained on millions of patient scans develops an intuition for spotting anomalies that might be invisible to the human eye. A financial AI trained on decades of market data learns to identify subtle trends that predict stock movements. The quality and diversity of its experience, the data directly shapes the quality of its decisions, reflecting the exact same principle in human learning. So, let's look closer at this refinement process. How does an AI go from being a novice to an expert? It's all about continuous analysis. An AI doesn't just look at data once and move on. It revises it, and constantly looks for deeper patterns. Imagine an AI designed to recommend movies. At first, it might just suggest action movies because you watched one. But as it gathers more data, what you watched next, what you rated highly, what you skipped, it refines its understanding. It learns you prefer sci-fi action with strong female leads. Made in the last 5 years, it's this continuous cycle of analyzing data and recognizing ever finer patterns that allows an AI to hone its skills with incredible precision. The ability to learn from data is what unlocks an AI's potential to perform tasks that were once exclusively in the realm of human intelligence. Think about language translation. For years, translation software was clunky because it was based on rigid rules. Now, AI models learn by analyzing billions of sentences translated by humans. They don't just translate words, they learn grammar, context, and even cultural nuances, resulting in translations that are remarkably fluid and accurate. From composing music to writing code to designing complex engineering components, learning from data allows AI to tackle challenges requiring creativity, reasoning, and a deep understanding of intricate systems. And what's truly revolutionary is the speed at which this happens. We learn over years, but AI can process information at a mind-boggling pace. With real-time data analytics, an AI can make immediate enhancements to its decision. A self-driving car doesn't have time to ponder. It's constantly processing data from its sensors, other cars, pedestrians, traffic lights, and making split-second decisions to navigate safely. In e-commerce, an AI can analyze a user's clicks in real time to personalize the shopping experience on the fly. This ability to learn and adapt instantaneously is what makes AI such a transformative force in our fast-paced world. One of the most practical benefits of this intelligence is automation. We all have those repetitive, time-consuming tasks at work that drain our energy. AI excels at these by learning the patterns of tasks like data entry, scheduling, or sorting emails. AI can automate them with flawless accuracy. This isn't about replacing humans. It's about augmenting them. When the mundane is handled by AI, it frees up our time and mental energy to focus on what we do best. Strategic thinking, creative problem solving, and building meaningful relationships. It allows us to shift our focus from repetitive labor to high impact. Finally, let's talk about the future. AI isn't just about understanding the present. It's about predicting what comes next. This is the domain of predictive analytics. By analyzing historical data, an AI can identify trends and forecast future outcomes with a surprising degree of accuracy. Businesses use this to anticipate customer demand. Financial institutions use it to predict market fluctuations, and scientists use it to model climate change. By giving us a clearer picture of what lies ahead, AI empowers us to make smarter, more informed decisions today that will shape a better tomorrow. The so-called thinking of AI isn't a mysterious black box. It's a logical, learnable process that, at its core, draws inspiration from the most powerful learning machine we know, the human brain. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the mind of AI. I hope this has helped demystify how these amazing systems work. If you found this insightful, please hit that like button. And for more content that breaks down complex tech, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. We'll see you in the next video.